Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Bitget Wallet for Web3 trading in USA. Full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Go to the official Bitget website. Locate the section for the Bitget Wallet. Click on the download button. Choose the version compatible with your operating system. Once the download is complete, find the installation file. Double-click on the installation file to start the process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the wallet. Select your preferred installation location if prompted. Wait for the installation to finish. After installation, launch the Bitget Wallet application. You may be greeted with a welcome screen. Select Create a new wallet to begin setting up. Read the terms and conditions, then click Agree. Set a strong password for your wallet. Confirm your password in the required field. Next, you will receive a recovery seed phrase. Write down the seed phrase and store it securely offline. Confirm your seed phrase by entering it when prompted. Once confirmed, your wallet will be created. You will now be logged into your new Bitget wallet. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. Go to the settings to customize your security options. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. To start trading, navigate to the Assets tab. Select Deposit to add funds to your wallet. Follow the instructions to deposit cryptocurrency into your Bitget wallet. Once your funds are available, explore the trading features. Start trading in the Web3 environment with your new wallet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.